Hi, I'm Hermann, Chief of Products of Gloristar. So today I'll be taking you to a sneak peek of the TAURI 3.0.0. So right here you see that we have changed our UI. And from here we have the date and time, heat map, and also some type of notifications and warning teaching the user how to place their face inside the screen for a more accurate reading. And as you can see right here, we have a facial border. What's been changed is that once the face has been entered the border, the face border, then the temperature indication will start as a demo. And also on the side, on the right hand side, we also have notifications and warning telling the user what to avoid. So going into the settings, which is the same method as the previous versions, we have added a digital signage feature called aisle screen. So for this feature, you're able to select any video or pictures that you would like to play once the device is not detecting faces or detecting temperatures. Right now we have something prepared, and as an example, I can set as how long for it to activate when no one is around. So right here I'm going to set 30 seconds. Edit playlist, so it'll be playing one video. So once I go back to the home menu, and if it's not detecting any face for 30 seconds, then it'll start playing the content until someone walks by or another face has been detected again. So right now, after 30 seconds, when no one is actually when the device is seeing nobody or no faces around the corner for detection, then it'll automatically jump into playing the content that we have preset. So right here you see that we have the content set up, and once someone walks by and once it detects a face, it'll jump back to the original screen. So as a demo, show my face. So now you see that it's able to recognize me, goes back to the detection menu. Again, if after 30 seconds nobody is there, it'll go back to playing the content again. So the next one that we have are is extensions. So here we have different operation flows that you can work with for the new softwares. Mode 1 is detection only, so which is like the previous versions where you see a face and then you see a temperature. And then the second one is connecting a Gloristar approved printer. Then through that printer, once a detection has been made, it's able to print a tag or a slip that you can use. A third one is detection, and then door control, where we have a relay module also from Gloristar that you can connect through USB. Okay, so here I have a relay module that's able to connect to the TAURI's USB. And after connecting to the USB, then there's an option inside the TAURI software to activate this module. So here under mode 3, so this means that right after it detects my face and when it presents my body temperature, then it'll activate the relay. Right now I've selected mode 3, which is when I walk in, I'll check my body temperature, and then after that I'll activate the relay. And in this mode there is a door access settings. So once I tap on that, I'm able to test whether the relay is working or not. So test to open door once. So right now you can hear the sound, and that to confirm the relay is working. So mode 4 is detection, results printing, and then door control. So this means that once a temperature is detected, it'll print a slip, and then it'll activate the relay. And mode 5 is detection, questionnaire, and print out the questionnaire along with the temperature data. And then mode 6 is temperature, and then it'll ask questions, results, and then relay. So let's jump into mode 5, one of our new feature, which is questionnaire. You're able to set up when you want to show the questionnaires. So you can show a questionnaires whether for all detection or only for pass or only for fail results. And then there's a response log that you can check on all the questions being answered by different guests. And here you can set up your own questions. So a total of 10 questions. that you can set up, and here we have set up 2 just for demo. So right now, once a face is detected, it'll go into the questionnaire mode, and now you're seeing that these are the preset questions that I have made. And so the questions only have 2 answers, so yes or no. So once these questions has been submit, it'll be recorded into the device log, so you can retrieve them through the settings menu. Besides detecting the face and showing the body temperature, there's a couple more features that we have developed. So one of them is printer. You're able to detect a person's face, show a temperature, and then print out a slip of their details. And the third one is relay. So we have a Glory-Star relay box that you can connect to the TAURI tablet, and once you connect this to the TAURI tablet, you're able to activate the relay and then select what type of...
A person with a normal temperature to pass, or a person that wears a mask to pass, or that if their data is in the database to let them pass.
And then another mode that we have is questionnaire. So for this questionnaire, you can customize your own questions. And the answer is yes or no questions, and the maximum will be 10. So a maximum of 10 questions that you can customize, which are yes or no question, that will activate based on what you choose. So you can activate the questionnaires if the temperature is normal, or you can activate the questionnaires if they have a high temperature, or you can do both. Okay. Another feature that we have through the HDMI port in TAURI, you can connect this to a HDMI monitor, and through this monitor, what you can do is to allow the temperature results to show only on that monitor. So the user that's facing the TAURI tablet, they're not able to see their temperature, and the temperature will be only allowed to show in that particular monitor. Okay, so this is an overview of the new features of our TAURI 3.0.0, and thank you very much for your patience and also your feedbacks, and we'll be announcing the release dates very soon, so please stay tuned. Thank you.